audio video check? Have a short self-introduction? Ask your speaking speed. Confirm what type of text lesson. Proceed to lesson prepper. Come up with a wrap-up and give your feedback.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, hello.
Hello.
So, can you hear and see me well?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. So, I can also hear and see you so well. So, welcome to my class.
Mhm.
So, I guess this is our first time, right?
Yes.
So, let me introduce myself. My name is Chill. How about you? What's your name, please?
Okay. My name is Daigo.
Oh, so thank you so much for your time today. I really hope you're going to enjoy and learn in my class today.
Okay. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. So before that, let me ask you, how are you today?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Wow, that's good. I'm also feeling great also, just like you.
Thank you.
Okay, so anyway, how about my speaking speed? Am I too fast or too slow?
Just okay.
Okay, thank you so much. So if ever you'll have any question during the lesson, just please ask me.
Okay.
Okay? Don't be shy to ask questions.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. So are you ready to start our lesson now?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. So I can see here that you chose Topic Talk 15. Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay, so today we will have Topic Talk 15, photos.
Mhm.
Okay. So now let's start with the first part, warm up 1 minute. So in this part, please name all the words that you can come up with from this picture in 1 minute. So just remember one word only.
Okay.
So 1 minute starts now.
Okay. Selfie.
Selfie. Very good.
Album.
Album.
Pictures.
That's right. Pictures.
Mm,
Okay?
okay.
So first, we will read it together. So please repeat after me. And after that, please try to make a sentence from each of the words and phrases. Okay?
Okay.
Let's start. So let's have selfie, self-photography.
Selfie. Self photography.
Very good. Next, on a daily basis.
On a daily basis.
Very good. So we are done now with this one. So do you have any question?
No questions.
Okay, thank you so much. So this time, please try to make a sentence from each of the words and phrases. Let's
Okay.
start with selfie, self-photography.
Mm, uh, Filipino likes taking a selfie.
Filipino likes taking a selfie. So it's true, I think. Thank you
Yes.
so much. So now, are you ready to have the next part?
Yes.
Okay, so let's have the role play. So let's act. Let's be a good actor and actress.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so in this case, let's imagine. So imagine that you're in the following situation and perform a role play activity with your teacher using the new words and phrases.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so first, the teacher, so it will be me, the teacher will be A, and the student will be B. After that, switch roles. So I'll be A first, and you'll be B, and switch roles.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so now I'll read the situation. So A and B are on a trip and now in a restaurant. So we are in a restaurant.
Okay.
Okay. So A takes plenty of pictures on a daily basis. And now he tries to take a lot of pictures in a restaurant too.
Okay.
So, and B, it's you, feels uncomfortable when people take a lot of pictures of food in a restaurant. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
are you ready now?
Yes.
So, action.
Okay.
Okay, come here. Dago, wow, these foods are so beautiful. It's so delicious. Let's take a picture. Let's take a selfie.
I don't think so because taking picture in public is kind of bad manners, I think, and also taking pictures in front of them is kind of embarrassing because they are, I mean, other customers are looking at us.
Oh, don't mind them. You know, it's my hobby, and I take really a lot of pictures on a daily basis. So now, let's try to switch our roles.
Okay.
Okay, so you'll be A and I'll be B. So please start.
Okay. Okay, chill. Let's take pictures because the food is so beautiful and it's kind of rare to come here. So let's make memories together.
Oh, I'm really sorry, Daigo, but I'm really a shy person. I can't do that.
No, don't be shy because we can make memories and we can um, maybe these pictures reminds us of these memories in the future.
Oh, but don't you think it's a bad manner?
Uh, just a few pictures are fine, I think.
Oh, but look at them. So maybe they will be familiar with us if we'll go outside and they will talk about us. Oh, that people took a lot of picture inside the restaurant. Oh, so disgusting.
Okay, I understand.
So maybe you can do so much. So we are done with part three. So now let's proceed with part four. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's have number one. So in this part, just talk about this following questions freely. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So now let's have number one. After the advent of smartphones and digital cameras, we feel more familiar with photos than before. And because of this, what kind of changes are there?
Mm, for positive point, we can
Mm-hmm.
take pictures all the time because of like smartphone or like digital cameras. We
Mm-hmm.
always have it. I
That's
mean,
right.
we go anywhere with that. So
Mm-hmm.
it's it's easy to make memories.
Okay, so now let's have the second question. So, what is your most unforgettable photo?
Hmm. Okay, my most unforgettable photos are the ones took in uh I took while no when I was backpacker
When you were just a backpacker. Hmm.
backpacker. Yes, especially in Cambodia. And
Wow,
also I put that pictures in my phone.
I see. So the soft copy.
Yes.
I see. Okay, thank you so much for sharing
Mhm.
that one. So there you go. Let's end our discussion there
Okay.
at this moment. So we have less than 5 minutes. So let's have a review first. Is it okay?
Yes.
have here the words that we've learned from this lesson. So please repeat after me 3 times, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so can you see it clearly?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So please repeat after me 3 times. Let's start. Selfie.
Selfie.
Very good. Selfie.
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 Very good. Next, Advent. Okay, very good. So I guess so far during the lesson you don't have any mispronounced words. So that's great. Just keep it up, okay?
Okay,
And your
thank you.
grammar is also good. So sugoi.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. So do you have any question?
Mm, no questions.
Okay, no questions so far. So now we still have 3 minutes left. So would you like to continue with the last question?
Yes.
Okay, so let's try to talk about this. So are you the kind of person who absolutely want to take pictures?
No problem.
Yeah, maybe soon, this
Yes.
summer. Yeah.
You should.
Okay, so anyway, thank you so much. So we don't have enough time, but do you have any question about our lesson for today? You can ask anything.
Mm, mm, mm. Hmm. No questions.
Wow, so far so good. Very good. I guess
Thank
so.
you.
Just keep it up, okay? Just keep on believing on yourself. Thank you so much
Yes.
for your time.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I hope to see you again next time, Atane.
Yeah,
Thank
see
you.
you. Thank you.